famous Chatyapura Vihara. Viharas. And then famous Viharas are, you know that, Nasik, Pitalkhora, Ajanta, and then Bhaja, Karle. Yes, क्योंकि जॉन इब्राहिम का खानदान तो यहाँ से हट गया है, उनको बिहाराज में नहीं रखा गया. And thereafter I said that Udaygiri and Khandgiri caves of the made by Kharela king in the Odisha near Bhubaneswar. Understood? It is for the Jaina monks. And thereafter we have seen, like I said, that Harappan civilization, Indus Valley sites. And which is the two important, I said that Dholavira and Kalibangan, the most best urban system is there. And then I said that largest site, nahi bola, largest site in India, who is this? Rakhi Gadi. And Dholavira, it is discovered by whom? ढोल बजता है वीरों का, विष्ट. And then I said that Kalibangan, काली माँ क्या करती हैं? घोषणा करती हैं. Yes, that I am going to do something. Yes, घोष, declaration. Yes, I am declared that I am going to do this. So I said Ghosh. And then these are the two important. And what is the important feature? Citadel and urban planning. Citadel and then citadel is for the upper people, those who are Purohita, maybe what is in several other upper class people, and then who are in the administration. And the lower town we have seen. And the lower town, I said that कैसे था? And citadel west side or east side? West side. और north and उधर से ही भाग जाए, नॉर्थ से इधर जा ही नहीं ईस्ट की तरफ. जब भागना हो, जब देयर इज एन अटैकिंग बाय द पीपल ऑफ व्हाट, अर्बन पीपल. So I said that, and then we have seen like the roads are north to south, and the smaller roads are connecting this major roads by the east and west. And there is some land along the roads has been also found. But we cannot talk about the skill of these people. The reason behind, yes, tell me. The ruined structure and all. So we have finished with this, and thereafter हम लोग जो start करेंगे temple architecture. Which architecture? Understood? कौन सा architecture? Temple architecture. And who is famous? Where the Nagara? Which are the temple architecture? Nagara, Dravida, and then yes, Vaishara. And where is the Nagara? North. Godavari के north में you can say Nagara. And the Krishna south, Dravida. And between Godavari and Krishna, and which plateau is this? Deccan plateau. So the Deccan plateau is the preserver of Vaisara style, and south of Krishna it is what? Dravida. Can you remember? Yes or not? And then Nagara style has been first. दो चीजें दिमाग में रखेंगे पहले, गुप्ता चंदेला. Which one I said that? Guptas, Chandelas. And Guptas are, I said that 300 to 550 AD, 382, and then Chandelas 900 to 1100 AD. Understood? Chandelas 900 to, and it is for which? Tell me fast. किसके लिए था? Famous for? अरे उपनिषद नहीं, famous for Nagara style. नॉर्थ में बोलूंगा तो नगर ही होगा. And then south में it will go Chola. Who is there? Chola. If you see that Pallavas, I talked about Sor temple. Listen me carefully. Sor temple, Kailash Nath temple, Ratha temple. This is not Dravida. Remember that. Pallavas, महानर नंदी को पराजित कर दिया. So I said that, which are the famous rulers? Mahendravarman first, Mahanar. I said that. Mahendravarman first, Narsimhavarman first, Mahendravarman second, Narsimhavarman second, and then Nandivarman, and then Aparajit. Understood it? And the Rajsimha. There is also one Rajsimha. Then I talked about this. Pallava may we have seen, but Pallava has utilized the stone in making the temples. Understood? Clear? But they have not made in the form of Dravida. Dravida is coming from the which? Cholas. That is around 850 AD. That is around what? 850 AD. That is okay. And then Nagara will come in which period? Guptas. And thereafter I said that coming of Chandelas. And by the Chandelas, एंड यहां पर यही है, दिस मेजर डिफरेंस इन द नगारा स्टाइल. मेजर, आई सेड नगारा इज लाइक दिस, इट इज ए शिखरा. इसको क्या बोलते हैं नगारा में? शिखरा. एबव गर्भगृह, सारा कुछ देखेंगे, बट गर्भगृह. एंड देन जिसको मूला प्रसादा भी कहा जाता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज. बट इन द नॉर्थ यू विल, साउथ यू विल गो, इट इज लाइक ए पिरामिड, इट इज लाइक अ नॉट. एंड दिस इज, आई से, Vimana. So it is in a, like in the south and this is in the north. So they are moving like some curves and there it is in a straight. This is in a pyramid and it is in a what? South. And here we have, yes tell me. कौन सा? Yes tell me fast. अरे नगारा ये साउथ ये नॉर्थ है और कहाँ? एंड दोनों में. और जब हम जाएंगे वैसारा स्टाइल, एंड देन वैसारा स्टाइल जो कर्नाटका के इस रीजन में बगालकोट. विच वन आई सेड? बगालकोट, कोप्पल रीजन. एंड देन यहां से विच रिवर इज पासिंग थ्रू? मालप्रभा इज द ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ कृष्णा. मालप्रभा, घाट प्रभा, मालप्रभा, तुंगभद्रा एंड ऑल. आई सेड दैट Malprabha. Where it is, which river is passing through this Vesara style? And where it is maximum? Bagalkot. Where it is? Bagalkot. Understood? And then we can be able to see Malprabha. And यहाँ पे क्या देखेंगे आप? You will see like this and you will see like this. So it is in a mixture of both. Understood? So Vesara style में you can be able to see what is there? Vimana, and also you can see some Shikhara. Understood it? Clear? So we are going to see rock cut caves and stupa continued in the old form, but possessed a striking novelty. Some buildings with शिखरा on the roof is in a new style in North India. अब देखते हैं कि कैसे बिल्डिंग्स बन रहे हैं, स्पेशली फॉर द टेम्पल्स. 17 at Sanchi. Temple 17 at Sanchi.